Today, I will share with you one Indian Sattvik dish which is common in India, the Aloo Baingan Masala. But before that, I would like to thank the organizer of International Day of Yoga Cebu 2020, the Yoga Sugbu, especially to Andala. It is a great honor for me to be invited in this reputable event which has distinguished its celebration all over the world since 2015. Before I will start, allow me to impart with you a brief background on the importance of Sattvik diet for yoga. According to Ayurveda, there are three broad dimensions: the Sattva, the Raja, and the Tama. The word Sattvik is derived from the Sanskrit word Sattva, which means pure, light, goodness. The quality of Sattva is said to be a life-giving to the body, mind, and spirit. In the practice of yoga and Ayurvedic medicine, individuals may increase their purity within by following a Sattvik diet and other healthy spiritual practices. It helps in nourishing the body and maintain a peaceful state inside. Hence, a Sattvik diet is also known as a yogic diet. Today, I will share with you one Sattvik Indian dish which is called Aloo Baingan Masala. Aloo means potato, baingan means eggplant, and masala means spices. This recipe is a no onion, no garlic recipe. I hope you will like it. Thank you very much.
Today, we are going to cook Aloo Baingan Masala, a no onion, no garlic recipe. Ingredients: 2 medium eggplant, 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes cut into cubes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 2 pieces red dried chilies, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder or dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, ghee, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, salt, sugar, and 1/4 cup dried peanuts. Now we will do the first process, the marination of the eggplant. So we have to cut it into cubes also, but you can make it bigger according to your preference. Then afterwards, we can put the turmeric powder, the dried chili powder, and salt. So for the salt, you can adjust it according to your preference. Then we have to mix it. And sit this for about 15 to 30 minutes. You have to mix it well until the eggplant will be coated by the spices. So, just wait for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we're going to turn off the fire and let the pan become heat. Then we can add the oil, 2 tablespoons oil. Then let's put jeera seeds, mustard seed, dried red chili, ginger, and we can add a little hing. Then mix it well. Allow the spices to be cooked for about 30 seconds. Then let's add tomatoes. Cook it well. Then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, let's add the marinated eggplant. Mix it well in a low-medium heat. Then we have to simmer this for about 6 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, we can add the boiled potatoes. Then mix it well. Let the vegetables be covered by the spices so that the taste will penetrate inside the vegetable. Then cover it again, then simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, we can add the peanut, coriander powder, cumin powder, jeera powder or cumin powder, garam masala powder, and dried mango powder. Then, again, we have to cook the spices thoroughly. Mix it well. You can add a little water so that you will get your desired texture. So if you want a little mushy, you add more water. Then let it dry. Then we can also add salt. So for the salt, you can adjust according to your preference. And sugar. Mix it well. Then we can add if you're a vegetarian, you can add ghee or clear butter, maybe 1 teaspoon ghee. But if you're vegan and you don't take dairies, you can skip this process. You don't need to put ghee. So mix it well. Then again, you can cover it and cook for about 5 more minutes. And here we go. We're done. Here is our product, the Aloo Baingan Masala. Thank you for watching.